Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this look from this palette. Yes, the famous Norvina palette. Oh. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say ah. Yes. I love all of her palettes, but this one really calls me because it's pinks and purples, and some of all of these shimmers up here are just insane pigment. So I created this look on a first time with the palette. This is what I got. So if you're interested in seeing how I came up with this, then stay tuned. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to review the Norvina palette today, and we're going to do a couple swatches. So let me get my glasses on so that I can actually read the colors. All right, so this is Dreamer, and we're going to do this here. And this is Summer. Now, I'm not digging very hard into my palette at all. So there is Summer. Wild Child. This is a gorgeous pink. Pretty. Rose Gold. This one is a little bit more chunkier, but a gorgeous metallic. Celestial, which is what I have on my inner lid. It's a gorgeous purple. Gorgeous. Dazzling, which is a gold. It's kind of like a rose gold as well. And Drama. This is awesome. Look at this. And I'm not digging very deep again because I don't want to ruin my palette with what I got. So there are the swatches for the top row there. Just gorgeous. All right, so let's do the other side. All right, let's do Passion, which is a plum. Eccentric, which is a brown. And Volatile, which is a purple, purplish brown. All right, so there we are so far. Let's go to Love, which is this pretty pink. It's brighter than what you think. Pretty pink. Incense is a brown. There's Incense. Soul. This is gorgeous. It's a pink or purple. And then the last one is Base, which is a peachy brown. Very soft color for the base of your eye, obviously. And it doesn't show up very much on my skin tone, but there we go. So there is the bottom row. Bottom row, so after swatching, this is what my palette looks like, and that is even after using it once on my eyes. So I didn't press very hard at all for the swatches, obviously, because they're so light, but I think they swatch well. I think they blend well on the eyes, and they're very pigmented. So yeah, so catch yours today. I am going to use the brush that they sent because I do like their brushes. So let's get started. I have already primed my face. I put foundation on. I used the Marc Jacobs Lamarck and in the Shameless foundation, and I prepped my eyes. I used the Precisely My Brow in shade number 3, and I prepped my eyes with Shadow Insurance and Painterly Paint Pot from MAC. And all right, let's get started. So I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to go in with this base color all over my lid. Alright, so for a taper brush, I'm not going to use this. I am going to use my own taper brush, which is going to be a Morphe E22 Morphe. And I'm going to take, what do I want to do? This shade right here is Insane. That one's calling my name. These two actually. I'm gonna go in with Love, which is like this pink shade, and I'm gonna do this. Oh wow, it's a lot pinkier than what I thought. Wow, wow, wow. It looks kind of beigey pink there, but it's, and I'm like barely touching it and the pigment on that. Alright, so now I've thrown my color scheme off, so we'll see what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna blend that out to a soft edge. This one does have a little bit of sheen to it. As you can tell, it's kind of like in my crease a little bit. Mind you, I've been up since 4 a.m. so this isn't the best face, but we're gonna work with what we got. Your face is not always the same every day, is it? Alright, so I'm gonna take this brown right here, which is called Violate. And I'm going to put that on more in the crease there to darken that up a little bit. And then I'm going to take that Morphe E22 and I'm just going to blend that, soften that edge as well. Then I'm going to take this one, which is called Soul, and lightly tap that very gently. And I'm going to put that on the outside edge. Taking that Morphe E22 again and just brushing that towards my nose. Now, do I want to do Celestial or do I want to do Wild Child? I think I want to do Celestial. So I'm going to take some glitter glue just because it's a shimmery color. And put this on the inside corner of my eye. Work fast. Take my other finger, run it in Celestial. Ooh. And put that right on the glow. See how pretty that is. Wow. Okay, then I'm going to take that same brush again and go over the top. Again, to smooth out all those edges. I'm going to take a small, it's not really a smudge brush, but it's like an eyebrow brush. This came from the Sephora collection from their Smoke Quad that I purchased. And I'm going to take some of that deep color of the Soul and just dip that in and go under my eye. I'm going to take this little Tarte brush and I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is Dreamer. Is that right? Dreamer? Dreamer. Then I'm going to go right in the middle here of my corner of my eye. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the bronzer in Rich Amber, and put that, bronze my face. I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. And then I'm going to take the Laura Geller, the Diamond Dust from their Swirl collection, I think. Take the other end of the Kat Von D brush and go right up. This is the Clarins Total Eye Concentrate that I put on. Alright, then I'm going to take a Bare Minerals brush and just buff out my bronzer, always going up. For an eyeliner, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever M10, which is the black. Then for the top, I'm going to use, this is a Sephora travel size eyeliner, and it's in purple. I don't know what color it is. me sharpen it. That really didn't show up a whole lot, so I'm going to go in and use the silver, the metal, heavy metal from Urban Decay, which is an eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Do I want to do Jeffree Star? Yeah, let's do this one. This one is in Diva. I'm going to take an Urban Decay 24/7. This is in Obsessed. All right, now we're going to take the Diva from Jeffree Star. So this is my final look for today. Thanks again so much for watching. Again, this is from the Norvina palette. And again, I highly recommend it. It's got 6, 7, 14 shades. No fallout that I had. And the shades are absolutely stunning. So I highly recommend it, and get yours when it comes out this week. Thanks so much again for watching, and as always, God bless. All right.